Good day. This is Harshit, your tech host, with all the latest happenings from the tech world. Twitter undergoes a major rebranding and logo change, transitioning from its famous bluebird to an X. The new logo features a white X on a black background and has replaced the bluebird on the desktop version of the social network. However, the change is yet to appear on the mobile app. According to Twitter's owner Elon Musk, the platform's terminology will also be updated. Tweets will now be referred to as X on the platform. Elon Musk, who has changed the name of the business to X Corporation, envisions creating a super app called X, a new type of social media platform that he has been discussing for several months. The rebranding was announced by Elon Musk on Sunday, stating that Twitter's logo would be bid farewell and gradually replaced with the new X branding. He shared an image of the X logo projected onto the side of Twitter's headquarters in San Francisco. Next up we have the recently awarded as the most reliable ICT distributor 2022 Iris Global Services has signed in Infinity Lab for distributing their Make in India SD-WAN and firewall products pan-India. Infinity Labs is a 100% homegrown Make in India enterprise, being a technology consulting and software solution company. It provides expert IT service in the area of automation, network design, orchestration, as well as SD-WAN and firewall products. Sony has introduced its latest ANC earbuds, the WF-1000XM5, with various improvements in design and sound quality. These earbuds aim to reclaim Sony's position as a top contender in the wireless earbuds market. The new model offers enhanced sound and call quality while being smaller and lighter than its predecessor. Sony boasts that the WF-1000XM5 provides the best noise cancelling performance thanks to two proprietary processors, a new high-performance driver unit, dual feedback microphone, and improved noise isolating earbud tips. The sound quality is also exceptional, with the Dynamic Driver X capable of 24-bit audio processing, producing robust sound with minimal distortion. Next up we have Bharti Airtel, one of India's leading telecommunications service providers, announced that Airtel Business, its B2B division, has achieved yet another industry milestone by becoming the first ICT service provider in the country to connect over 20 million devices through its IoT solutions. Airtel IoT enables enterprises across industries such as automobile, energy, utilities, logistics, financial services, manufacturing, and many more, with a secure and dedicated private network for the safe transmission of all customer data across connected devices. VTEX, the global enterprises digital commerce platform, announced its strategic partnership with Connect Insights, a unified customer experience management platform for brands. This exciting collaboration aims to spearhead a transformation in customer experiences management for enterprises, brands, and retailers. By combining the robust capabilities of VTEX composable and complete platform with Connect Insights unified customer experience management suite, this partnership will empower businesses to deliver exceptional customer journeys at every stage. In the dynamic digital landscape, VTEX and Connect Insights stand ready to reshape how brands interact with their customers, cultivating enduring loyalty and fueling sustainable growth. User Testing, a leader in experience research and insights, announced the launch of its new certified partner program for digital agencies. The program is designed to provide agencies with the training, resources, and technology to build and enhance their UX research and design offerings, providing a more scalable and efficient way to bring customer sentiment into the process for how they design, create, and deploy new products and experiences for their clients. The user testing platform also includes workspaces to make the management of tests, templates, videos, and insight across multiple client accounts simple and accessible. Collective Artist Network Big Bang.Social is proud to announce the launch of India's first creator super app, recognizing the immense potential of the creator ecosystem. Big Bang.Social offers creators a comprehensive and first of its kind platform that enables commerce, brand collaboration, upskilling, and a robust peer-to-peer network for building a thriving community. Designed to empower creators and fuel the growth of the creator economy, the Big Bang Social app is set to become the ultimate virtual destination that revolutionizes the way creators connect, collaborate, learn, and thrive. Next up, we have Buzzworks. India and Innovations Group UAE have announced the appointment of Prakash Jain as their Group Chief Financial Officer. Both the organizations are prominent leaders in human resource and recruitment services, and with this strategic appointment, Prakash will play a pivotal role in driving the financial excellence and growth across the organizations. Prakash brings with him a wealth of experience and expertise in investor relations, corporate development, and financial transformation. Prior to joining the brand, he served as the Chief Financial Officer (CFO) at Econ Care and has also held key positions at organizations such as BlackBuck, Brilio Technologies, and SLK Group. With over 2 decades of professional experience, Prakash sets out to be a catalyst for driving business transformation. As the brand takes the next big leap in its positioning in India and globally, Prakash will spearhead the company's financial planning and investment strategies. Additionally, he will be instrumental in fostering synergies between. Next up, we have VI enables access to over 10,000 international job opportunities for the Bharat Youth job openings in the field of manufacturing, sales, business development, customer support, logistics across countries such as UAE, Japan, Australia, Canada, amongst others. Candidates with educational qualification including graduate degrees, ITI certification or a specialized diploma can aim to get overseas employment in line with its endeavor to help Bharat's aspiring and ambitious youth move ahead in life for a better tomorrow. India's leading telecom operator, VI, in partnership with Apna, India's largest job search platform, is offering access to over 10,000 international job opportunities for its customers exclusively on VI Jobs and Education platform on VI app. VI users can now apply for lucrative international job openings in the field of manufacturing, sales, business development, customer support, logistics, etc. across countries such as United Arab Emirates, Japan, Malaysia, Russia, Germany, South Africa, Australia, Canada, and UK. Apple has issued security updates to fix zero-day vulnerabilities that were exploited in attacks targeting iPhones, Macs, and iPads. The vulnerabilities include a WebKit flaw and a kernel flaw. Apple acknowledged that both issues might have been actively exploited. The WebKit flaw was part of a zero-click exploit chain used to deploy spyware on iPhones via iMessage exploits. In addition to these, Apple backported security patches for a zero-day that was addressed in May. After recently introducing the iQOO Neo 7 Pro in India, the iQOO brand has now confirmed that they will soon launch the iQOO Z7 Pro in the country. Nipun Maurya, CEO of iQOO India, made the announcement on Twitter and also shared a render of the upcoming phone. The render shows curved edges and a center-positioned punch hole cutout. However, the exact launch date of the phone has not been disclosed by the top executive yet. The iQOO Z7 Pro features slim bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. The power and volume rocker buttons are positioned on the right edge. The phone's wallpaper displaying multiple colors suggests it might be available in various color options, while the exact specifications of the iQOO Z7 Pro have not been officially disclosed. It was recently spotted on Geekbench. According to the listing, the device will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G SoC and 12GB RAM, although there may be other configurations available upon launch. The phone is expected to come with Android 13 OS pre-installed. Next up, we have Microsoft's AI chatbot Bing Chat is being tested on Google Chrome and Safari browsers. As reported by Windows latest via 95 Google, Microsoft is gradually allowing select users to access Bing Chat on these browsers and plans to expand access further after completing standard testing procedures. However, there are some limitations on Chrome and Safari compared to Bing Chat on Edge. Users are restricted to typing 2000-word prompt instead of the 4000-word limit on Edge. The chatbot conversation resets after 5 turns instead of 30, and users may encounter pop-ups urging them to download Edge. Additionally, Microsoft has introduced a dark mode for Bing Chat, but it is not yet fully rolled out to all users. Skyball, a leading technology company, has made its debut in the Indian smartwatch market, emphasizing cutting-edge technology and uncompromising quality. Skyball aims to revolutionize the industry with its range of smartwatches. This year, Skyball is set to unveil 5 new smartwatch models, starting with the Skyfit Elevate and Skyfit Rigor in August 2023. These watches boast AMOLED displays offering vibrant visuals and clarity, targeting consumers seeking premium yet affordable products. The price range for the smartwatches will be between Rs 1,999 to Rs 4,499. Skyball said that it is committed to delivering unparalleled quality and plans to launch 3 more smartwatch models before Diwali. Further establishing its presence in the market, the company has set a sales target of 1 lakh units within the smartwatch category this year, aiming to derive 40% of its business from this segment. Next up, we have Google is working with news publishers to design a new AI-backed tool to help journalists report and write their stories. The company said on Thursday the project was first reported by the New York Times, which is working with the Washington Post and the Wall Street Journal in testing the new product. Citing anonymous sources, the report said the tool, known internally as Genesis, was in an early testing stage but impressive enough to be found unsettling by some of the news executives that saw its capabilities. A Google spokeswoman said in a statement that in partnership with news publishers, especially smaller publishers, we are in the earliest stages of exploring ideas to potentially provide AI-enabled tools to help their journalists with their work. She added that, quite simply, these tools are not intended to and cannot replace the essential role journalists have in reporting, creating, and fact-checking their articles. The tool would function as a sort of co-pilot for reporters and editors by providing options for headlines or different writing styles, the company said. The Google project follows news of a tie-up between OpenAI and the Associated Press, in which the ChatGPT creator was given a license to use the archives of AP going back to 1985 to train AI. The arrangement sees OpenAI licensing part of AP's text archive, while AP will leverage OpenAI's technology and product expertise, the two organizations said in a joint statement last week. Vivo has officially teased its latest smartphone, the Vivo V29, which is being marketed as a selfie expert with a powerful 50-megapixel front camera. A teaser video from Vivo Turkey provides a glimpse of the upcoming Vivo V29 series, including the previously launched Vivo V29 Lite 5G and the upcoming Vivo V29. The global launch of the phone is expected to happen soon, with a possible release in India as well. The design of the Vivo V29 is inspired by the Vivo S17 series, which was originally launched in China in May. The phone shares a similar dual-camera setup and a ring-shaped flashlight at the back. The Vivo V29 is rumored to feature a 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 778G Plus processor. For photography enthusiasts, the device will come with a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera at the back. While the front will boast a powerful 50-megapixel selfie camera, the phone is expected to pack a 4600 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. It will run on Android 13 with Vivo's Fun Touch OS interface. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for an interesting giveaway in the future.
ट्विटर जो एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसको इलॉन मस्क ने $44 बिलियन पे खरीदा था लास्ट ईयर, इलॉन मस्क उसको रिब्रांड करके एक एक्स का लोगो बनाना चाहते हैं। इसको कंफर्म किया है ट्विटर की सीईओ लिंडा ने। एंड बहुत सुन हम देखने वाले ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म होगा जहाँ पे म्यूजिक, स्ट्रीमिंग, पेमेंट्स, बहुत सारी चीजें और होंगी। इसकी थीम ब्लैक और ग्रीन के ऊपर रखी गई है। सो आप देख सकते हो कितने नए चेंजेस आने वाले, बिकॉज जब से इंस्टाग्राम का थ्रेड्स आया, ट्विटर बहुत सीरियस हो गया अपने सोशल मीडिया के प्रेजेंस को लेकर। सुनने में अच्छा लगा ना, तो हमारे IT शॉर्ट्स को फॉलो करो। हम डेली ऐसी टेक न्यूज के अपडेट्स लाते हैं और अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना ताकि उनको भी पता चले ट्विटर अब ब्रांड हो रहा है एक्स के नाम से। मिलते हैं कल नई वीडियो।